Hello viewers, welcome to Chef Raghavan's factory.
Hi friends, one more special South Indian recipe in English today. I'm going to make perfect and crispy Rawa dosa for you. I have worked in many hotels. Wherever I work, I have seen most of the North Indian people, they are liking the Rawa dosa very much. They always ask me how to make this. We never get this in our hometown and all. So it's a very simple recipe with very simple ingredients. Come, let's get into the video.
Take a mixing bowl like this and also take a katori like this or any bowl which should be flat in surface. So we can measure all the Rawa and everything. So first I am taking one full bowl of suji Rawa. In the same bowl, I am taking one full bowl of rice flour. Any rice flour you can get from the packet in any shop. One full bowl. And one full bowl of idli batter or dosa batter. Any batter you can add. The regular idli or dosa batter. Some chopped green chilies. Some chopped ginger. Make sure it is finely chopped so that the taste will be nice. And some grated carrot. This is optional, but I add it because it gives a good taste to the Rawa dosa. And some curry leaves cut into 1 by 2 or just tear it like this and add it. So this will give a good flavor. And some jeera, cumin seeds, whole peppercorns. Do not add black pepper, it will become more spicy powder, so that I am adding whole peppercorns and some salt and some chopped coriander leaves. So all this will give some good flavor. So for this measurement, we need to add 6 bowls of water. The same bowl where we measured Rawa and rice flour, same katori, 6 bowls of water, and mix it nicely like this so that you will get a pouring consistency of batter. Heat the dosa pan, add some oil and mix it nicely before making it. Otherwise the Rawa will get stacked in the bottom. Now while pouring, lift it like this. From top, from a decent height, you need to pour it like this so that the batter spreads everywhere in the pan. Otherwise it will get stuck in the center and it will become very thick. If you pour it from the height, you will get a crispy dosa because the dosa is made thinner. Now add some ghee or oil. You can add some onion at this stage also. It will become a Rawa onion dosa. See, now you can see the dosa coming away from the pan. It means the recipe is perfect. Can you see that? See, it is slightly coming away from the tawas. It means the recipe is perfectly made. So after getting golden brown color, like this, the dosa is ready. Just take it away. See how good it is. Crispy Rawa dosa is ready. This recipe will come out very nice. You can have it some sambar or chutney. We generally have it with sambar and coconut chutney. So today I am having with sambar.
So friends, Rawa dosa is ready. It came out very well, crispy and with some good color. Please try and enjoy. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts, please put a comment. I will reply to you.